You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Yo, it's hump day. Oh my goodness, already? Is it fucking hump day? Oh my. If we're there, if you're here, drop a WL or mid. WL or mid, WL or mid. Let's see who's here. All right, we got Uncle Barky Bodge and Browse Hockey, Shades of Live, Peppers, Cube Q. Good morning to you. SPX Black Sam, D Biggs, Top Trade, Richard Harris, Paul Yoon, Rich X, Michael, Creepy Pasta, Angel, Jay Loosh, Bast, I Am Right, Elite Trader, Scooby, A Tree Called JQQ, UMax, Shaving Ryan's Privates, Lido, Go Hard, Greg G. Carroll, Ace Trays, Corgo, Luck Max, Scott H, Navy Guy, Candlestick Cowboy, Travis in the Air, Highway, Low to the Poe, Elite. Lido, what's the latest on your accounts? I like to do a little health check. A little bit of the health check on you, Lido. What's popping off in your accounts there, brother? What's really going down? The people want to know. Everybody wants to know. 2746, same as yesterday, right? That is the triple Qs. I'm like, why does that look so fucked up? That is the triple Qs. Whoopsie. 200 more. Oh my goodness. Look at you go. All right. We are at a very crispy area here. This is like the Globex top, quadruple top now. Curious if we have enough juice to break through, if this is what the buyers were looking for this whole time. Google's gone insane. They plan to highlight that it is using AI internally to generate 75% of all new code, up from 50% last fall. Google engineers stopped to approve the code, so Google is now being run by AI. 75% worth. Fucking crazy, huh? Yeah, we don't have any, it's gonna be a very light day on the news front today. A very, very light day. Extremely light. We're still underneath all-time highs. But again, people are really interested in this Google news that's been popping off. They have a lot of buyers below us that are kind of holding the price up here. Curious to see if we'll have that continuation up through 7150 in the S&Ps. Right now is kind of pushing and trying to pop up over these levels, but we are met with a certain amount of resistance here. So we'll have to see if that brings us into continuation. Google pulling back a little bit off that announcement. That's better. I'm just concerned about 7150 up here in the S&Ps. Wondering if we're going to make a run for that at all, because there's a lot of liquidity up there. Nvidia is super strong too. Yeah, we're gunning for it right now. 7150 is that big area of liquidity that is gunning for here. So we took a little bit of it. There are some icebergs left behind. Watching on these pullbacks if we're running into any strong bids, specifically in the S&Ps. All right, I'm going to take a long here since we have that continuation. I want to add on a pullback below 60. We have 59 contracts up at 75. But that should be of no concern, really. We have, layered liquidity going up higher. I'd love to see actually a pullback to like 55 would be lovely. If we could actually get that. Right now we're just seeing continuation above 70. Pull back to 55 would be sick. A little sideways here. I'd like to see a pullback. I just don't think we're going to get it. We're just holding at 71.50 right now. Pull back to like 47. Perfect in the S&Ps. Grimsmod, you here? Hi. How are you? Good to see you, Grimsmod. Okay, pulling back here. Okay, adding one into that pullback. I want to see this juicing back up towards that 75. We are reclaiming 71.50 right now. So I'd like to see this juicing back up towards 75 on this pullback. We're right at 71.50 in the S&Ps. So a quick pop above this would be everything that I'm looking for in this trade. Straight up to 75. Trying to target the microstructure of a pop above 70 here. Nice pull here. I need to see 75 trade though on this pull. Right there. Bang. Boom. There we go. Second payout secured. Just like that. It's another $7,000 directly to the bank. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Kurt Nichols says, good morning, Rips. Are you sick today? You are not screaming, hee hee. Your mom gave me AIDS last night, but I'm on medication for it. Let's see, what else? What else? How many people caught that with me? How many people caught the juice with me? That microstructure, expansion to 75. Woo! Bang, baby. I love funded seed. Oh, I gotta change this. This is not accurate anymore. Whoopsie. Ooh. That bracelet is getting less expensive all the time. Bro, you're not wrong. It's almost half off at this point. Almost. Well, actually not quite. That's depressing to think about. What's your favorite account with funded seats? So, they have a new goated account that's kind of insane. They have a really crazy goated account that's kind of insane. Let's see. It is called One Step Daily Pro. That is it. It's 3 days to pass the evaluation, but there's no daily loss limit in those accounts, in the funded accounts. There's no daily loss limit. So, kind of crazy. Rip, the recording platform you mentioned on the interview is OBS. Yes. Rips, is it normal that I have to pay to use the emojis on Kick? I remembered being able to use them before. It's because people gifted a sub to you. You can use regular emojis. There's no difference. Somebody gifted you a sub. You can always just ask somebody in the community. People are pretty generous. Wow, look at that. Double gifted. Bang. Oh, do you trade TPT? Right now I have 5 past TPT accounts that I'm waiting for that I can activate. What's up, DBS? What's up, McGruff? I think TPT is great. So, TPT is daily payouts just like funded seat. But on funded seat, there's no trailing drawdown when you first get into the funded stage. In TPT, there's a trailing drawdown. Oh my God, these fucking squawks. I had to turn them off. This guy will not shut the fuck up. What was I saying? In TPT, Once you get, dude, all right, give me a minute. There's like 6 people talking right now. Jesus Christ. Like, they're all talking about nonsense too. Like, nobody fucking cares about Boeing, brother. Jesus. Okay. I think they're done. Okay, so TPT, you have a trailing drawdown when you first get into a funded account. Once you get out of that trailing drawdown, they're some of the best accounts you'll ever trade. It's like trading in a cash account. Funded seat so far is great. Like, bro, I'm gonna be pulling, what am I pulling from this? 1865, 88 times 5 accounts times 0.9. I'm gonna be pulling $8,300 from funded seat today. So that'll be $17,000 in 2 days of trading funded seat. My cost for these accounts was $1,100. And this is why, like, dude, there's a guy named Clusterdramus that was in the stream on Globex. Clusterdramus, are you here, Keith? I don't know if you're here right now, but he said he put like $1,300 into an AMP account. It's like, dude, you're not going to turn $1,300 into $17,000 in 2 days. Funded seat, bro. 2 days of trading. I've made $17,000. Like, you saw, that was one fucking trade, guys. Like, I don't know how to hammer this point home anymore, but like, this is where the focus should be if you've been trading for 5 years or less. And especially if you don't have consistent profitability. When I say consistent profitability, I'm saying not a month, not a few weeks, 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability. I'm currently trading the one step daily 50% 150Ks. 5 accounts. 5 accounts. 5 accounts. So I'm into these accounts for, I think I paid $1,100 for these accounts. There's no activation fee. They instantly activate. You don't have to click any buttons. It's insane, dude. $17,000 return for 2 days of trade. Well, 3 if you count. Monday was a daily loss limit. But like, this is insane, dude. It's insane. And this is why, like, when I get like anxiety when people are like, oh, I put $1,300 in my AMP account and it's at $1,450 now. It's like, oh God, like, what are you doing? Like, why? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? That money is like, you're torching it, bro. What are you doing? Like, put that money in props. Like, you can actually get a return on your money. Like, you can definitely trade profitably in a $1,300 account, but you have to make 100%. You have to make 100% on your capital to make $1,300. I'm sorry, but it just, the math does not math there. When you're talking about, like, you know, taking a $100,000 account, a $250,000 account, 100, you know, even $50,000. Says max cap for the 3 150K funded step 1 dailies. Yes, they changed that rule, but you can still have 5 funded accounts. 5 funded accounts. You can still have 5 funded accounts. They allow you to mix and match like a buffet now. I mean, at the end of the day, on a 50K account, you're only trading 3K of it. So you're making 5,000 to get 15K. No, you can copy trade. You're copy trading, right? You're copy trading, and you're not risking $3,000 of your own money. You're risking a very small portion of that, right? I didn't just risk, like, my stop loss on this trade was $800. $800 times 5 accounts is $4,000. I wasn't risking $4,000 of my own money. All right, guys, because this question is going to keep on coming up because I've answered it twice already. Let's all pay attention, okay? Funded seat allows you 5 funded accounts. You can mix and match 5 funded accounts. You can only have up to 3 of the following accounts. 1 step sprint 150K, 1 step daily pro, 1 step daily 50% consistency accounts. You can have up to 3 of each of those. In total, you can have 5 funded accounts. So if you want to mix and match and have 2 1-step daily 50% consistency and 3 1-step daily pro accounts, you can do that. Okay? You can mix and match. You can have 5 funded accounts. What do you prefer, funded seat or Tradeify Lightning? Funded seat because I can get daily payouts. Tradeify Lightning is great, but in 2 days, I achieved more than what I can get paid out in 5 days of trading Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. It says 35% consistency, but also 1 day to pass. Where do you see that? Where do you see the 1 day to pass? Show me where it says 1 day to pass on a 35% consistency. Is there a maximum withdrawal amount on the one-step 50K? So one-step daily 50K is going to be... Let's go through this. Okay, so one-step daily. Let's bring this up. So this is per account. On the one-step dailies... This is per account. 2,500 is the max. 1,500 is the max. 1,000 is the max. 500 is the max. So, if you were trading a 50K account, the most you could take out is $1,000 times 5 accounts. 90% profit split. You get $4,500 in a single day if you hit the max. Okay. How much buffer do you need? Right below that. 1,100 on the 25K account, 2,100 on the 50K account, 2,600 on the 100K account, 4,100 on the 150K account. Now you would notice that when I started my stream, after taking my max profit yesterday, my account already had the buffer in it because I hit the buffer yesterday. So I'm withdrawing, but it's never eating into my buffer. I don't have to rebuild the buffer every single day. Once you build the buffer, that's it. Makes sense? So after taking 4 payouts in a single account or 10 payouts since the last live transition, you go to live and they put you in a live account. All of the accounts that you took payouts from are transitioned to a live account. That was your question, Soupy. Looks like the same rules as Tradeify daily select accounts. Let's see. No cap on payout once you're live. No buffer. No bullshit. Daily payouts. Biggity bang boom. All right, let's see select daily payouts here. So it's 50% of your total payouts capped at $5,000 per payout on the 150Ks. Just got some Alpha Advance 100K. Yeah, those are great too. I mean, I say this all the time, but it's a really good time to be a prop firm trader. It really is. It's a great time to be a prop firm trader right now because all of these companies are competing for your attention. They're all competing for your business. They're all competing for you to trade with them. So the deals and everything that is being offered to you as a trader is extremely attractive. On select 81, 50K, the payout's capped at 2,500. Is that right? A lot of rules. I wish I could go through that quickly, but yeah. So Path to Live is 3 payouts with Tradeify. 3 payouts versus 4. Do you have any live accounts at the moment through props? No. Do not. I did have the only live account I had through a prop was Tradeify this year, and I blew it. Did not really make any meaningful progress on it. But, and I don't blame anybody other than myself, but Tradeovate. Shocker. Tradeovate. Copy trading issue. Shocker. However, they did tell me that the next time that I get moved to live, if I get moved to live, I think I will. But the next time I get moved to live in Tradeify, they will make it one singular account. One single account. So. Any calls from Richard Harris so I can take the opposite trade? Not yet. He's been pretty quiet. But Soupy, we're waiting for the Soupy indicator here. We'll see. Can we do some charting, please? Want to see if I'm seeing the market similar to you? Yep. I'm going to give it a minute. I want to wait until the 8:30 news comes out, and then we'll do it. Plus, there's going to be more people here, so more people will see it. Any 8:30 news is going to be unscheduled news, so I'm looking for press releases or anything like that. We have Canada's new housing price index for March coming out, but it's not going to move the markets. So I'm waiting for some headlines to drop, and we're building a nice little range here. So let's give it a moment. We'll start charting at 8:30. How much does the Soupy indicator cost? It's free. Do you think other pro poker players like Marcus and Tom trade props? Who's Marcus? Not sure who Marcus is. Tom Dwan? No. Where can I see the news? There's no news that's coming out. It's just the Canadian housing data. What's up, Gary? How are you? Fantastic. We hit profit target on funded seats, so day started out great. Going to be able to take an $8,000 withdrawal tonight for Globex. Excited about that. Hi, man. I learned a lot of things from you. Hopefully good things. So we have left to trade still today. We hit max. I'm not going to trade the funded seat anymore, obviously. In fact, let me see if I can lock these things. I don't want to accidentally click anything. I'm going to lock out this account right now. Cool. Bang. We have locked out our funded seat accounts. All of them have the exact same profit because the Trade C copy trader is, quite frankly, the best in the world. That is not it right there. There we go. Lomanko, what's up? Ripsmod has messaged me saying that you're bothering him, so what's up? What can I help you with? You're spamming Ripsmod. What can I help you with, buddy? I'm right here. What's up, Lomanko? Lomanko, where you at? I'm in a trade? Huh? Check your accounts. What are you talking about? What about my accounts? Nope. Everything's locked. Everything's completely locked right now. Let's see. Aren't you on Discord? Here. You're on Discord, dude. Right? This is you on Discord? Here. You want the discount thing. There you go, man. There you go. No, there's no Discord. Nope. Nada, senor. What's up, Market Architect? How are you, buddy? Hey, Ribs, PSA. TradingView forced me to professional plans because I integrated Trade8 props. Might happen to more peeps. Yeah, don't trade props with TradingView. I think it's a horrible idea. What is your absolute favorite prop firm? I don't really have a favorite. They're all different for different reasons. They're all completely different for different reasons. Why is TradingView less than stellar? TradingView is amazing if you're trading your own cash. TradingView is terrible if you're trading on props because of the lag. You're going through multiple layers. You're going from a TradingView server to a prop firm server, the prop firm server to like a rhythmic server to the market. You're doing multiple layers. So it's going to be very laggy and gross. So what happens if you get 6 payouts in Lucid? Does that account close after? I don't know. No idea. No clue. I have not a clue, brother. Difference between trading prop on sim and being moved to live. Nothing. You will not notice a damn thing. Promise. There's literally nobody in here will notice anything. Literally nothing. Positively, absolutely nothing. Plus, I have here all the damn coding on TradingView does not help on trading. It slows it down. No, that has nothing to do with anything. Nothing to do with what we're talking about. Absolutely nothing. So, market is pushing out of this gully of despair for the time being. The reclaim area is 7150 in the S&Ps. Kind of want to see if we can grab a little schmeckleberry in our Alpha Advanced accounts here. Right now, we are kind of holding these lows. See if we can come up out of this zone of liquidity and despair down here. Be interesting to see. Something collaboration with OpenAI. I don't know who that was for. Let me see. All right, we are pulling back here. Curious to see if there's going to be a setup down here right now. Yep, fuck, I missed it. I was looking for longs too. We tapped into that 40 and they just went ape shit. So, missed it. I was trying to fucking squeeze that off the lows, but damn. See if this area wants to hold down here. That was a nice little rejection actually at those 60s. We're coming into this multi-level zone down here, so I want to see if that actually sticks. Something about Wisconsin, Ohio data rules. I don't know what that's all about. No idea. We're holding 40s now. It is weird down here, actually. Very, very weird. I can't believe we actually, now that I'm looking at it, we gave back that entire squeeze, that earlier squeeze. Let's see. Target is on a conference call right now about earnings. Thank you, George, for the gifted. Appreciate you, pal. What a G you are. Put my stream deck back on the table here. What else do we have here? We have Tradeify. We have, yeah, so Tradeify we can trade as well today. Yeah, Tradeify, Lightning funded. I have these as well that I can trade. Profit target is $1,800 per day in these things. So I do like how much we're rejecting. And given that we did sweep liquidity up there, good chance that we can start going into these lower zones. See if we reject here at 47. Should be pretty telling here. Nice work, Sparky Trader. It looks like we want to hold these lows, to be honest. The way we're stacking all this liquidity down here. Google's still holding. Nvidia's trying to reclaim VWAP too. All right, they're testing for a reclaim of 50s here. Maybe try something here on a pullback. We are pretty close to the top of the hour too. Let's do a channel gamble here. All right, I'll give you 5 minutes for this one. All right, I'm gonna short this. Looking for this to drop below these 40s now and cut a little bit lower here. We are in our Lightning funded accounts. Let's see if we can slice through these 40s here. Nice move. Beautiful connection here. See if we can get that right into that 35 area now. Bang. There we go. Perfect. If anybody was curious why I took that short, if anybody was curious why I took that short, I'm not joking. It is the only indicator that I rely on right now. Time to go long. It's a long, full port long. I shit you not. This is the only reason that I took this short. I'm not joking. I'm being dead fucking serious. If you guys think I'm joking, you're out of your fucking minds. Like, legitimately. It's the best fucking indicator on planet Earth, dude. It's unbelievable. It's unfucking believable, dude. All you have to do is fade this guy. It's like fucking free money, dude. It's unbelievable. Look at that. We just made $5,000 in our funded accounts. It's a joke how easy it is, bro. It's unfucking real, dude. This guy doesn't miss. I might actually like send people to kidnap this guy and then just make an indicator out of him. This is like, I can make trillions of dollars, bro. Like legitimately, I can make trillions of dollars selling this guy as an indicator. I'll just keep him like, I'll set up a webcam, strap him to a fucking chair, give him like a can of beans every single day or whatever the fuck. Dog food, I don't know. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll stay on topic. I'll give him a can of Campbell's soup. His name's Soupy. Give him a can of Campbell's soup every single day, strap him to a chair, set up a webcam, and just, hey man, long or short. That's it. Fucking long or short. I could sell that as trillions of dollars, dude. It's fucking, I've never seen him miss. You're done giving out free signals? Dude, please don't. Please don't ever stop. Please don't ever stop, man. Please, God. Whatever you do, please don't stop. I can't have that. Please no. Dun, dun, dun. Wait, what the fuck? Some of my followers did not copy on that. What the fuck is going on? Huh? What the fuck is happening? Huh? Why is it whenever I like speak highly about a platform that they just start fucking sucking dick? What is happening, bro? How does it close my trip? Huh? That's gotta, what the fuck, bro? Refresh. Oh, facts. Yo, there we go. Fuck. Oh shit, dude. Thank you. Oh my God. There they all are. Oh, thank you. All I had to do is refresh. Holy shit, that was fucking scary, brother. Holy shit, that was scary as fuck, brother. Check funded seat. Funded seat's fine. Talking about. We are Gucci players. Wait, what? The fuck? Huh? Yo, what the fuck? Ah, no. I'm gonna have them fucking, there's no way. I'm gonna have them fucking fix that. There's no fucking shot, bro. No. No. Look at every single, you can see, like every single account. Copied. Yeah, no, we're gonna have them fucking, there's no shot, brother. I'm gonna have them fucking fix that. There's no fucking way. Yeah, no fucking way. Yeah, no fucking shot, brother. We're gonna have them fix that shit. Yeah, no fucking way. No fucking way. Rips, when you have the direction right, why don't you hold and trail for bigger winners? Because I suck dick at trading, bro. Duh. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, did you confuse me for somebody who knows how to trade? Are you fucking joking me, dude? I throw darts at a board. I fling shit at a wall and see what fucking sticks and drips down, brother. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. You're mistaking me for a different streamer or something. The fuck are you talking about, bro? Huh? Are you lost? asking me like technical questions. I literally, dude, the only thing that I do as far as trading goes, there's a guy named Soupy in chat. If he says long, I go short. If he says short, I go long. That's the extent of my trading. People want to know my trading strategy. Like, that's it. Ripster code isn't 90% anymore. Where are you seeing 90%? Where are you seeing 90%? Where are you seeing Apex 90%? Show me. Point to where you see Apex saying 90%. Point. Show me. Bottom of your screen. Are you high on drugs? Where do you see 90%? Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. It's no worries. I'm totally not gaslighting you. I totally didn't just change it a moment ago. I'm not gaslighting you, I swear. How fucked up is that? Thank you. Good comms, dude. I changed it. Thank you. Good comms, good comms, good comms. Just straight gaslighting you. Like, what are you talking about, bro? I don't have any idea what you're talking about. You're like, what the fuck? I swear it said 90%. Holy shit. That's funny as fuck. Oh, man. That's so fucked up. All right, well, I'll let you guys know what fun is. There's no way that fucking... I'm sorry, but there's no way that they're gonna fucking leave that. There's no way, dude. I'm using the copy trader. There's no way that it's gonna fucking... No shot, brother. No shot. Here, let me actually message them. Send them a screenshot here. Okay. Yeah, there's no... I'm sorry, but there's no way. That ain't happening. That ain't how that's gonna work. No shot, brother. Dude, how come... It's weird, though. Like, Trade C copied this one, but then lied about the copier, and then I refreshed and it's fine. The other... That's fucking weird. That is fucking weird, brother. What the shit is that? You know what's crazy, too, is that, like... Here, look, I'll show you. So here's the trade that copied, right? There's the trade that copied. Here's the one that didn't copy. What the fuck is that? How come it didn't? Dude, it went higher than where the TP was. Like, what the fuck? I had a TP there. How the fuck does it go higher than the TP and literally like, fuck you, fucking Trade C, you bag of ass. Bag of shit, Trade C. Or not, yeah, Trade C. I keep forgetting the fucking name of it. You bag of shit. No, I'm not tilted at all, brother. I don't give a fuck. I know that it's going to get fixed. I know that all of my P&Ls are going to read that and I'm going to get a fucking payout at the end of the day. There's no fucking way that it's not going to do that. Like, that's the trade I took. I had a TP in. I was copy trading. There's no fucking shot. So, nope. Ain't going to be like that, homie. I already got a payout locked in. This happened to me on Tradeovate this morning. Yeah, Tradeovate is a bag of shit. Rhythmic raw data jumping around. But the thing is like it copies on 4 accounts, but not on the 5th. Like, nah. We ain't playing that shit today, dog. Golden Knights and my Sabres blew it last night in fucking dumb hockey. Don't root for the Sabres, man. Root for the Knights. Is it only one account? Yeah, it's only one. Let me see what my dashboard says. Well, I mean, my dashboard is probably going to reflect what I'm seeing right here, right? Yeah, dude, it's just one. Look. That is so fucking stupid. See? Good, bad, good, good, good. You see? Fucking prop firms. It's so funny. Prop firms are the funniest fucking thing on planet Earth. I mean, I'm still fucking happy that I can still trade sim. Like, I can trade in a sim environment and get paid for it. It's fucking hilarious to me. Like, none of your orders are hitting the tape. Here, have some money. All right, sure, man. Whatever the fuck you say. Sounds good to me, bro. It's the funniest thing on planet Earth to me. But it is funny that they still, in 2026, cannot figure out how to fucking have platforms that work. That's funny as fuck, bro. Like, dude, I'm pretty sure exact same dollar amount. Oh my God, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is what's funny is like, you can tell that I had a limit order as my exit, right? I wasn't marketing out. I had a limit order as my exit because, look, all of the balances are exactly the same. 96588, 96588, 96588, 96588. 98196. Like, what happened to you, bro? Was this Carlos's account? Was this Carlos's account? Is that what happened? Carlos's account got fucked up? It was Carlos's account, wasn't it? That's probably what it was. Fucking Carlos, man. Son of a bitch. Anyway, they'll fix it. There's no way they're not gonna fix it, bro. There's no way they're not gonna fix it. It's the most obvious, easy fix ever. You know what I mean? There's no fucking way that they don't fix that. It's so fucking obvious. Like, dude, if I had like one account and like, oh, I forgot to copy and like, like shit like that. But no, dude, you're telling me 4 accounts copy, 1 account's like, I forgot. Like, and dude, I can't even trade that account independently because if I select that account, it says it's part of a copy trading group. You can't touch it. So. You're trading Carlos's mom account? She blew that like everything else in her life a while ago. Rips say usually don't. I wish you luck. I mean, brother, explain a situation how it wouldn't make sense that they make it right. I took the trade. I made profit on the trade. Do you see what I'm saying? Give me a break, bro. How explain a scenario that doesn't make sense for them to make that right. Do you see what I'm saying? Explain a scenario how they don't make that right. Is that new rule from Funded Seat? You can only have 3 funded 1-step daily. Oh God, I knew I was gonna have to. How many times am I gonna have to repeat this? All right. This is the last time I'm talking about it. This is the 4th time I'm talking about this today. Okay. You can have 3 funded accounts of the following: 1-step sprint, 150K, 1-step daily pro, 1-step daily 50% consistency. You can still have 5 funded accounts, but your max allocation of those 3 accounts is 3 of each. Mix and match any which way you want to. They will never fix it so they can steal everyone's. Dude, yeah, fucking, you guys are so miserable. Fuck. It's not how it works, dude. If you go into that with that fucking attitude, of course, they're not going to fix it. If you anticipate them not fixing it. You guys need to try to manifest fucking shit here where you're not so miserable in life. I promise you it will be fixed. There's no way it's not going to get fixed, bro. It's so obvious. Like, it's the most obvious thing ever. Copy trading? I can't control the 5th account. Like, dude, it's so fucking obvious. Widespread issue on Trade Seat, Trade Copier, apparently according to Funded Seat support. Bang, there you go. Thank you, Sparta Nick. There you go. So all they need to do is copy your P&L from your leader account. Fucking obviously, bro. And like, if you made a fucking bad trade, they need to copy your bad trade to your fucking follower accounts too. You know? It's not their copier. Trade C is not the same company as Funded Seat. Dude, I swear to God, there's gonna be a fucking company that comes out. This is, dude, it's maddening talking about this shit. Telling you guys right now, I'm calling it right now. There's literally gonna be a fucking... There's gonna be a new prop firm that comes out, and I'm gonna have to talk about it. It's gonna be called Apex. Apex. I'll be like, not to be confused with Apex. It's called Apex, but it's not to be confused with Apex. I swear to God. Look at Breakout prop. No fucking shit with them. Breakout, bro. They've emailed me like fucking 20 times. Do you get a discount on trade C when you use funded C prop? I don't know. Since it's sim, it's so easy to make one account, have the credentials. Oh, Clustradamus, we were just talking about you at the beginning of the stream. Bro, here's the thing. Here's the thing that's so fucking simple, right? Look, if I go into the Trade C platform and I make a leader account and then 4 following accounts, those 4 accounts should literally go dormant. Literally fucking dormant, right? You can't touch them. They go fucking dormant. They disappear. They essentially disappear into the ether. Whatever happens on my leader account should literally just translate to the other accounts. There should be no trading on these other 4 accounts. Ever. Ever. Like, it's the easiest fucking thing on planet Earth to trade that. Or to program that. It's fucking insane that we have to even like, you know that there's a development room where like, here's the problem, by the way, if you've ever had a team of developers, working for you, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. You go into that fucking room and they're so deep in the weeds that they can't see the most obvious answer like I just explained. Like, I guarantee you I could go into the room of Trade C and explain that to them and be like, oh, dude, we've never thought of that before. That's actually a really good idea. Like, guarantee you they've never even thought about that. I swear to God, dude, developers are so fucking deep in the weeds, they never think of those types of solutions. Swear to God. Lisa says, why don't you stop talking to stupid people? Lisa, what happened? Why are you so... Are you okay, baby? What's wrong, baby doll? It's okay, Lisa. I don't think anybody's stupid. Who am I talking to that you think is stupid? I was a developer. Yes, it happens. I was so focused on the small details, the overall user experience escaped me. It's true, man. Yeah, so folks in here that are also developers, you understand what I'm talking about. You get so fucking deep in the weeds that like it's so helpful when you have a project man, a PM who's like not super deep in the weeds and they come in and they're like, just do that instead. And all the developers are like, fuck, why don't we think about that? Let's see. The channel points gamble is being paid out. 850. I think we're below that. Yeah, we're below that. I said PM. My bad. Let's do one for a 946. All right, 5 minutes for the next prediction. First time using Trade C, give a walkthrough. I did that last night on Globex. You guys want to walk through Trade C? I was also a programmer, project manager, but it also depends on what the freaking management wants. Yeah, but like, we're just talking about like, dude, developers have a great way of making like, and I can't blame them, right? They're like deep in the fucking 19th commit of this bullshit. And they're so fucking deep in the weeds that they're like writing a function that talks to a function that was deprecated last week, but they haven't deprecated it in the live code. And the fucking function is calling back a function that used to work. And now they have to recode that fucking function to talk to the new function. It's like a fucking God. I'm so happy that I don't fucking God. I hated that world. Oh God, spaghetti code. Oh, fucking shoot me in the fucking head, dude. Can't stand that shit. All right, let's do trade scene here. Sandbox account. Put back on the warning here. Oh shit! Hold on, there's real shit going on. Hold on. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? We missed it. How come whenever I want to do something like this, the market just has no chill? That would have been a great fucking long, huh? Rick to Riches, kick.com/ribs, kick.com/ribs. People are channeled gambling. You have channel points that you can use to redeem for free prop firm accounts for watching on Kick. There's no ads, there's low latency, better audio, better video quality. Kick.com/ribs, completely free. You get channel points just for watching. Get free accounts, free shit. Basically, Kick pays you to watch the stream. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. Okay, back to sandbox mode. All right. Trade Z. This is a demo account. Let me put up the fucking warning. That's not it. Where's this thing? Bang. No, that's not it either. Bang. No, that's not it either. What the fuck? All right. I guess I'm going to just change this. Okay. All right. So we're all clear. All right. So the cool thing about Trade C, the built-in copier generally works perfectly fine. I thought it was doing the way that we suggested earlier, but yeah. Buy a contract, move your TP, move your stop loss. We know that the price is going to go jumping up to 65. So we can put this at like 63 and then like put this stop down here, add. See how it adjusts everything. You can put sell one here. Okay. You can put sell or sell stop right there. Right? Watch what it does. It'll update your position. When you're adding and subtracting to your position, it'll add and subtract to it. Watch what happens if it either takes out my stop for 1 or it takes out my limit order for 1. Watch what happens. It'll update the rest of this. So you can do very clean strategies using Trade C without having to deal with nonsense. And it copies usually 95% of the time absolutely perfectly. Right? Let's see if this thing will ever take out the stop or the first limit order here. Sean D. Jones says, Trade C is asked, what do you use? What do you use? Okay, see how it updated everything? Now it's 5 in the TP, 1 still there, 5 in the stop loss now. See that? Okay, let's add back. Add another one. Add another one. What do you use, Sean D? What do you like to use? I use Lucid and report several bugs. For example, when switching to points, it bugs the price. Switching to points, it bugs the price. What do you mean when switching to points? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, anybody have any questions about Trade C? Can you have bracket? You can have this exact same trade that I'm working right now completely copied with your copy trader. You can use copy trading. You can move these actively, do whatever you want. It's all happening, baby. All right, let's say you take one off here. You can modify this. Add another contract. Can change this to however many you want. Take that off completely. Add another contract. And you can do anything you want. All right? The trailing is basic. You have multiple targets, et cetera, but it looks nice. I mean, for the basic functions of trading on prop firms, what would you rather trade on? Trade of 8 prop or Trade C? If you had the option. Trade of 8 prop or Trade C. And by the way, if you're using NinjaTrader, what are you using to copy your accounts? If you're copy trading in NinjaTrader, what bag of ass are you using to copy trade? The copy trader in NinjaTrader, any of the copy traders I've ever used on NinjaTrader, some of the worst. Absolutely some of the worst. Just saying, for out-of-the-box functionality. Yeah, Replicano cannot copy 20 accounts. Replicano struggles anything past like 3 accounts. For basic buy and sell, well, I mean, it's more than basic buy and sell. It's buy and sell and stops and TPs and all that. It's great for that. It's fantastic for that. Trade of 8 for now. Trade C never worked for me because of delay. Man. I don't know about that. Trade C doesn't integrate with TradingView, which I love to use. I mean, this is essentially TradingView. This is essentially TradingView right here. I don't know what you mean. This is essentially TradingView. Execution has a slight lag after 10 accounts. Gotta give it a few practice executions first. What, Replicanto? Yeah. This is more TradingView than TradingView. I agree. Yeah, I don't know. I've never used a toss, but you can use a toss on funded seat. No problem. What about Replicanto? I'm doing more than 3 accounts, but yes, there's like, yeah, that's why. Like, if you're using Replicanto, just why not use TradeC? Out of the box, it's fucking brilliant. You don't have any issue, for the most part. Today is the first day I've ever had an issue with the copy trader. Very first time ever. Daily or Daily Pro on funded seat? Daily Pro is 3 days to pass the evaluation. Daily is 2 days to pass. So it really is how many days you want to pass. Daily Pro does not have any trailing drawdown. So if I am going to take those, or if I'm gonna have my funded seat accounts, if I'm gonna buy more, I'm gonna do the other ones. Love my setups in TradingView. That's the only thing that's stopping me. What setups? What do you mean? You're talking about like your indicators or something? All right, we have 10 minutes till the market opens here. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The price is going to hit our TP on this, and that's what I'm waiting for. The price is going to hit our TP in about 15 seconds here. Market's spurging out again. But remember, this is on a delay. This is on a 10-minute delay. So we're going to see the market shooting straight up here in half second or so. However long. I just want you guys to see what this looks like. Do I do options? Yeah, in my long term. I don't know why Ripsmod is just fucking missing all these questions, the obvious questions today. There you go. It's driving. There you go. TP hit. Bang. Amazing. There you go. All right, back to reality here. Something text message to Trump, possible or Iran talks. Right there. All right, 9 minutes till the market opens. What about trade copy, using it through Tradeovate and TradingView? Trade copy, no, fucking no. No shot. There's way too many horror stories about those platforms putting you long in one account, short in another account, and then the prop firm is banning you. So no, I'm not ever gonna do that. No. No shot, brother. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, BLT. There's so many horror stories about those prop firm copiers that put you long in one account, short in another account, and then people cry about it. This was only 2 seconds. It's like, well, you're fucking using some bullshit like that. Don't use that bullshit. No, it's not only with TBT. It's been more than TBT. It happened with Lucid. It happened with Tradeify. It's way more than TBT. In your opinion, the one I should get and plan the prop firm? I mean, it just depends. It all depends. Do you think we should have our trade predetermined, just follow the plans so no emotional decisions are made, or is it more discretionary? We should react to what the market is doing in the moment. It's 2 different trading styles. One is more systematic, one is discretionary. What kind of trader are you? I can't dictate that. Depends on what type of trader you are. I'm more of a discretionary trader myself. Our markets are opening here in 7 minutes. I think I'm gonna take a leak. I'll be right back. All right. We're back. The back. Nice work, Julius. Head along. Good work, bud. To use TDO as level. If I knew what it was, maybe. No idea. Never heard of it. No idea what TDO is. Titties doing others. Tickling dicks, offsides. True day open. Again, no idea what that even is. What the hell is a true day open? Is that like Globex open? If you shower twice a day and you sleep better when you sleep at night. Do you shower twice a day and you sleep better when you sleep at night? What? I don't get it. Yeah, Ripsmod is very slow today. I don't really understand what's going on with Ripsmod today. Kind of crazy. All right, let's do Alpha today. Someday Ripsmod just has it. Someday they don't. I don't know. Today is one of those days where it's like, I came into the stream Wednesday, fucking great mood, great comms. Just might be a short stream today, to be honest. The mute function, by the way, on private messages is like the best fucking thing in the world. Just right click on Ripsmod's name, go to mute, bang. Oh, it's so nice. So fucking nice. So fucking nice, dude. I love it so much. I wish prop firms had an option for no trailing drawdown for higher prices. Nick, Funded Seat has no trailing drawdown, brother. Funded Seat has no trailing drawdown. Nice little healthy distribution here. Off rip. We are probing a little bit lower here. Continuing to reject underneath 900. Nice work there, Yamal. Let's go, baby. Nice work, nice work. Yeah, dude. Funded seat, man. Funded seat. That's what you want to trade on. Funded seat, brother. Oops, I reached a milestone today. 2 days lock profit after my first payout on my funded. Usually I blow it the day after my first payout. Let's go, discipline. Let's go, Ernitos. Let's go, baby. Misu made 1K in their funded top sub. Let's go. We are selling off here pretty heavily. Coming down into this big area of price. I'd love to have a retracement back to the 1 hour mid if we can get that. Be lovely. But we're back into this area of balance down here. 1 hour mid is all the way up at 850. 854. Let's see if we can get a bounce to that area for a short. I'm back. Oh, wow, what the fuck? Okay. That was not what I wanted, but I'll take it. That was full size. Not what I wanted, but I'll fucking take it. Happy accident on Trade Evade. Beautiful. Holy shit. Happy accident on Trade Evade. I'll take it, man. Holy shit. First time that we've had a happy accident on Trade Evade. That was fucking insane. I was trying to scale into a short, anticipating that it was going to bounce higher to 850. That was pretty fucking insane. Jesus Christ. It did copy too. Believe it or not, the copy group was selected. I did not look at my quantity. My quantity was set to 45 contracts. Did not plan that at all. That's I think it's the first time. Is that the first time we've had a happy accident on Trade Evade? Was that the first time? Second? Holy shit. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, I was short. I was anticipating a higher bounce, but thankfully it continued to flush. I don't know what to do now. That's fucking scary shit, man. Jesus. Second in a month. Great. Maybe Trade Evade's our new favorite platform. Meta and Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Apple, and Google all off a cliff this morning. Basically everything but Tesla, because Tesla has earnings after the bells today. It's an evaluation account, so thank God it's not a funded account, but still, I'm happy that it worked out. We are $2,500 away from passing this account now. $2,500 away from getting funded on Alpha. Very excited if we can get that. I'd love to see a retracement back up to 850 and a harsh rejection up there, and then trade 850 down to 820. A 30 handle trade would be lovely. Trade evades. Can I ask, if you are a so-called pro, how come you take losses and blow accounts? I'm just going to leave that one out there for everybody to hear that one. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. I think it's just somebody rage bait. It's hilarious though. Like even if that question came from an honest place, that's got to be one of the most retarded questions I've ever heard. We are pushing up a little bit now off of the lows in Meta. Yeah, real traders don't take losses. That's what I hear. There's never been a time where a trader's ever taken a loss. A professional trader. Sorry, I got to use the word professional. We are building liquidity down here to the buy side. The area that I'm looking to watch, I don't even have my stream deck in my lap. The area that I'm looking to watch is 850 here. My mods would be booting trolls left and right. Why? Watching 850s here. Big rejection underneath 850. Well, not really a big rejection, but decent rejection underneath 850. Still building liquidity from one volume shelf to the next. S&Ps are looking strong. Microsoft looking to go green. Anybody take that rejection off of 850? I didn't take it. How long does one have to wait for win giveaways from Alpha F yesterday at Globex? Taking a quick short. Well, okay. I guess that's our signal to go long. I'm going long. Yep. Soupy's short, so we're going long here. Kind of the no-brainer, I guess, is what you'd call this. Soupy is short, so we are long. See if we can snap above these 40s. Quick little snap. Picking up a little bit of pace there towards those 40s. Nice. Good comms, Soupy. Love you, bud. Fantastic comms out the rest. Beautiful. Thank you, Soupy, for the longs. Again, it's the only indicator you'll ever need, ever in your life. Ever, 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 ever. I'm not joking, guys. I'm literally not joking about this. I'm not kidding. I'm not joking. This is not a troll. He literally said, I'm taking a quick short. I'm short. I'm in. The moment he said that was the moment that I went long. And I'm not joking. People think I'm trolling about this. I'm dead serious. It's the most easy single setup that you ever need, ever. It's actually insane how good it is. It's unbelievable. It's unmatched. We are currently up $4,000 per account. We are $2,000 away from passing now. Thank you to Soupy. Shout out Soupy. W's in chat for Soupy. It's insane how good he is. I've never seen anything like it. Yes, I actually have him in a separate chat window so I can watch his messages come in live and it filters out everybody else's. Dude, him and Jeff, oh my God. Could you imagine Jeff and Soupy in a room together? Holy shit. Dude, Jeff and Soupy in a room together would like explode the fabric of the universe. Legitimately explode the fabric of the universe. You say, ha ha ha, stop. Brother, I'm not, like, I'm being dead serious. Like, you think this is a bit. I'm being dead serious, bro. Please don't ever stop. What about Carlos in the room as well? I mean, dude, that's just a fatherless child, so nobody cares about Carlos. Look at that. Oh my God, it never fucking fails, brother. If you held on for long and you're like, the Soupy indicator didn't give me enough alpha yet, there you go. There's your burst. Holy shit. Oh no, Jeff, it's not you. Sorry. It's not you. You don't have the magic touch. There's this guy named Original Jeff. He's literally holding every single meme stock that went down 90, 50, 80% or more. He's by far and away the worst trader I've ever seen in reality. Ever. Like, he makes Jim Cramer look like a wizard. But imagine Jeff and Soupy in a room together just calling out price would be like, holy shit. It would be better than Tobias and Parsons picking you up in a white van. Straight up. It would literally be better than that. Andre says, my friend bought AMC at an all-time high, is still holding. Yeah, is his name Jeff by any chance? Dude, I used to love going on Twitter and seeing the AMC Ape Strong thing, and people were, there you are, Jeff! Holy shit, there he is. He goes, my Beyond is up 15% this morning. Hold on. I got it. This is going to be great. Hold on. Give me a moment. This is going to be amazing. Hold on. If you guys think I'm joking about this, like, this is how good this guy is. Look at this. Look at how good this guy is. Look at this. This is how good this guy is. He is insane. By the way, it's pointing to right here. Right here. You can't even see it. Holy fuck, dude. Imagine Jeff and Soupy in a room together, dude. Beyond, by the way, is trading at $1.18 right now. $1.18. Jeff bought it at $240. It's trading at $1.18. Could you imagine Soupy and Jeff in the same room together? Could you actually imagine that much alpha? Holy fuck, bro. Oh my God. Jeff, how much would I have to pay for you and Soupy? Like, I might just buy you guys a place. Where you guys are both in Florida too. Wait, holy shit. This is divine intervention right here. If I bought you guys a house, could I stream you guys living together? I'll buy you guys a bunch of shit. This could be like, oh my God, I could become a trillionaire from this. Holy fuck, this is great. This is great. Oh my God. We'll do a 24-hour, dude, we'll do a 30-day, 24-hour live stream with Jeff and Soupy living together. I'll buy the house. It'll be like Big Brother, but we'll call it like the world's greatest traders. Dude, this could be insane. How much would I personally would pay like $50,000 a month just to be able to have access to this stream. So could you imagine, bro? Dude, the guy, unironically, it's trading at $1.19 and he goes, it's up 15% today. He bought it at $240. It's trading at $1.19 and he goes, it's up 15% today. Like, this is real. Guys, this is real. It's unbelievable. Never seen anything in my life like this. Bass TV says, am I still timed out? What do you want to say, dude? Give me some good rage bait. Give me something good. I want to talk about fucking your mom. Spectrum trading, dude. We'll call it up 15% capital. buy at 240. The price opens at $1. It goes from $1 to $1.15. You go, I'm up 15% today. Guys, I'm up 15% today. It opened at $1. We're at $1.15. What was your average? Oh, $240. Doesn't matter though. We're up 15% today. I gotta ask ChatGPT about this. Let's see. If you bought a stock at $240 and it opens at $1, what percentage gain do you need to get back to for break even? Let's see. Let's see. You only need to make 23,900%. You're very close, Jeff. 23,900%. You're very close. You're up 15% today. You got a little ground to make. You'll get there. I mean, shit, you'll get there. They certainly would not do another reverse slit. No, no shot. Yeah, the journey all starts with 15%. Dude, ChatGPT got snarky. It says, here's a quick reality check. This isn't happening. Here's a quick reality check. This isn't happening. Oh, man. Thanks, ChatGPT, for the snark. I appreciate it. Jeff, you might want to use ChatGPT and ask it about your position. See if it gets a little snarky with you. The moment that Jeff buys car, it'll go straight down. Car is in a mega squeeze right now. Jeff Bible. Holy shit. Rip, should I buy account first to pick up my one giveaway? Okay, here's the message I'm gonna write to the staff again. Wait, which account did you win, by the way? Are you talking about like on Monday? Which account did you win, brother? 50K zero full allocation. Does your email start with PA? Does your email address start with PA? Okay. Okay. Once again, another one of my users is bitching at me about not getting their giveaway. They won't shut up and it's ruining my morning. Can you please help me? Please, for the love of God. Okay. And sent. We'll get it taken care of. No problem. Stop taking me so seriously. It's not the message I sent, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. God. Guys are so uptight. Good Lord. I was like, hey, man, can you send him his accounts? That's literally all I wrote to him. Jesus Christ. You think I'm dead serious? Hey, man. Fuck you. Like, what the fuck are you talking? Jesus, you guys are so funny. You guys take me so fucking seriously all the time. Iran fired on ships in Hormuz? The Strait of Alex Hormozy? Did it actually? This is not a... Okay, Soupy. Did you... Let me guess. Soupy said long at 70. Just guessing. Soupy, were you long at 70? Just guessing here. Just spitballing. I don't really know. Oh, he probably called for shorts at 812 too. No? Okay, well, we need a call, brother. I can't do this without you. Lord knows I can't fucking trade without your call-outs. Running out of music again. What do we need? That's fine. You missed it. Look at chat. You said this is not a signals channel. Short from 8 to... You're lying, brother. You're lying. Dude. Oh my God. Dude, this is why I shouldn't have been distracted. I'm not joking, guys. You guys think I'm making this up. Look at this. Look at this. Short from 812. Nah, short from 812. I did. Guys. How is this real, dude? Could you ever imagine getting a gift of alpha like this in your life? Holy shit, bro. How did I miss it? How did I miss that? I could have passed my alpha accounts on that. Fuck. I wasn't looking at my fucking secret Soupy chat. He has to be a paid actor. Brother, he calls it when it happens. How could he be a paid actor? God. How did I miss that? All right. Soul, you're good, right? Check your refresh your dashboard, Soul. We got you taken care of. Check your dashboard. My soul, brother. Basin to speak at the top of the hour. Trump ceasefire extension is for 3 to 6 days. No, 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days. Four to 6, 6 to 9, and 1 to 4. So 3 to 6 is more like 2 to 4. I like that. That makes sense. All right, consumer confidence for April. Here she comes. Consumer confidence negative 20.6 versus negative 17.2. Good comms, good comms, good comms, good comms, good comms. This song is difficult. Amen, brother. So we still haven't made the highs. We haven't touched the highs yet. We tickled, but we didn't touch. 8.99 3/4 was as high as we got. Slam that short, nice work. I'm still waiting for the soupy callouts, to be honest with you. Just waiting for some soupy callouts, baby. That's all we need. That's all we need. We're racing for those highs. It's crazy that the NQ is actually outpacing the ES today. If Nvidia went green, this thing would go fucking ballistic. Besson is talking right now. That's the second time we're up here, and we just broke through those 900s. Starting to shove it in. Microsoft is juicing. S&Ps are lagging still a little bit here. I didn't see anything about Google making chips that are competing with NVIDIA as far as a headline today. I didn't see that. I saw that they're using 75% of their all of their code is 75% generated by AI now. That's what I saw. So maybe you saw something different. Points, aboves or belows? Overs or unders? You tell me. Unders? Vlad Strat says unders. It's the unders? Vlad Strat said unders. We're doing the unders here. All right, thank you, Vlad Strat. We paid the unders. Thank you, sir. We have paid the unders. Thank you, Vlad Strat. Appreciate the comms. Good comms, good comms. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you for being a good member of the community. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. Love you too, bro. That's awesome. Good comms, brother. Good comms. All right. Overs have been paid. Vlad can suck the under cheese of my fucking nutsack. You fucking suck a dick, Vlad. You fucking loser. Nice try, you dumb bitch. You fucking retarded cocksmoker. Suck a dick. You fucking retard, Vlad. I paid the overs, don't worry. Poor guy, I bet the unders. He bet all of his channel points on unders. He was like hoping. Fucking praying. That's fucking hilarious. All right, we're dancing around 900s here. Straight fucking dancing, moonwalking, baby. Straight fucking moonwalk dumpsters. Since we've hit a new high today, what is your thought process for after that happened? Reclaiming highs. More highs. Am I looking for any video editors now? I have a huge content team. So we just exchanged above there. Back into this volume shelf at 887. We are just dancing in this channel for the time being. Curious to see if we're going to hold above these 87s here. 87 halves. Back into those 900s. I'm taking this long. Pull back to 87. I'll add. Nice move there. Starting to see some harsher rejections on these push-ups, but I don't mind it. Should see this jumping up into 905. So I want to see a deeper pullback so that we can target that jump up to 905. That's what I really like to see. A deeper pullback and then a scoop up to 905. Like to see this battling back above 900. Quick little pop. See if we can exchange that liquidity at 87 halves first. We're about to get a huge pop here too. Right into that 900 area. Massive, massive pop. Watching for 905. Bit of a rejection into that 905 area. Another rejection there. See if we can tag some more orders down here at 87 halves. Really like to try to time this better. Okay, there's that push. I need that extension. Quick pop here. Nice move. I gotta take off a few more contracts into that push. And then we're out. Okay, there we go. We are $1,000 away from passing those. Nice pop into that 905 area, pitch and catch to the upside. I'm not mad at you. What are you talking about, Vlad? I'm not mad at you. Can't stop fucking winning over here, dog. I wish they would have given me 87 halves. I would have went full size at 87 halves, but they didn't give it to me. It's all right, though. We still got a nice trade. Still made $3 grand on the trade across 3 accounts. So. Wow, there's your huge driver, by the way. Massive, massive driver. Who's still holding that? What a move. What a move. TB is 49. Nice. Good comms. Watching on this pullback. A lot of people are trying to short into this move or cover into it. Pretty funny, actually. See if we can target a pullback at all here on this squeeze. Should see a burst above 45 in this pull. There's a lot of people that are selling into that move, which is fine. As they should be. Pop through that level brings us straight shot to 50 and 52. So watching this through 45 now. Straight to 7160. I'm trying to nail it right here on this move. Trying to nail it on this pop. Going for the big squeeze here. They gotta stop pressuring those 40s. Watching. Watching this pressure at 40s now. Nice move up top. Looking for this blowout now. There's the exact move that we're looking for. Need to get 45 for my full fill out there. Want 45 for my full fill out. It's okay. We got filled most of it, but not all of it, unfortunately. So we can retry here on the next topper. Watch for the topper and the popper. Through 40 now. They're being stubborn. Trying to get the rest out here at 45. See a little bit more there. There we go. And we're out. Bang, past accounts. Pitch and catch again to the upside there. Waiting for consolidation to form, adding into the big bulk. On the pullback to 7160 in the S&Ps, pullback to 930 in the NASDAQ there. Biggity bang, 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 bang. All right, cool. Feels like the job is finished for today. I really have nothing left to trade. What am I supposed to do? Alpha accounts are passed and qualified. Tradeify is decent profit. We made $5,000 there. We made $9,000, I think, or whatever the fuck we made. What did we make? $1,800. We made $9,300 in our funded seed accounts once they fixed the issue with whatever the fuck it's called, with Trade C. So everything is a gravy train sitting on biscuit wheels today. How many people are green today? Drop a W in chat. How many people are green? Dubs in chat if you're green. Soupy, I know that you're not green. That's a fucking given. You don't even have to write down. Beautiful moves, baby. Beautiful moves. You just love to see this shit. It is gorgeous. It's fucking gorgeous. Fantastic stream today. Great market today. Love me some new all-time highs. I just wish NVIDIA would catch the fucking memo. It's just holding 200s here. Tony Fly says, rips, rips, rips. Are we chanting? Let's go, Tony. Answer my question. Let me see. Tony says, rips, if I was born with a small pecker, how do I get my wife to still love me? Brother, I can't. Don't know. Oh, you know what? You could ask Soupy or Jeff. I would say, yeah, Soupy or Jeff would probably help you with that one. Buy diamonds, not bad advice. Yeah, buy diamonds. There you go. $27,000 is definitely a possibility today. Telling yours is still bigger than hers. What if it's not? Oh man. 10 minutes to the bottom of the hour. We're gonna get the crude numbers from the Department of Energy. All right, let's see. Bottom of the hour is going to be here in 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Silas says, damn, Ribsy, that was trading was yes, very difficult. Straight up difficult, dog. Boom, 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 ba ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, boom. What are y'all trading on today? We traded on Alpha, Tradeify, Funded Seat. Bang. Everything is green. We're fucking green, baby. Like the Jolly Green Giant over here. Fucking A. It is great. It is fabulous. Straight fabulous. Dude, my long from 89 best trade this month. 50 points. Let's fucking go. Let's get it, baby. Give it up for Ron. Ron making it happen. I love to see it, baby. Yeah, I don't have anything left to trade. I'm not gonna fucking trade Like, I'm good. I'm good, baby. I'm fucking good. This song has been playing for like an hour. Has it, actually? Okay.
How was I to know you changed my mind? How was I to know? Oh.
All done for the day. I don't have levels up here. Great day. Yeah. Let me see. Well, are you not in the Instagram private group? A tree called Jay. Are you not in our private Instagram group? You're not in the Rips Nation? A tree called Jay. Are you not on Instagram? I'm not, dude, you guys think I'm trolling. I'm not fucking trolling. I'm not actually trolling. It's literally at my fucking level, bro. In both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Literally. Literally, literally, literally. You guys think I'm fucking kidding with you. This is the Rips Nation. I'm not joking. This is a private group on Instagram that is free to join. It's literally free to join. Here, let me put a thing where I can do this. Dude, we don't have neighbors knocking on Instagram? Are you shitting me? How the fuck is that real? How they not have that song yet on fucking Instagram? What a fucking joke, bro. Yeah, that's just whatever. That's whatever. Will we see 27K before today? Yeah, I mean, bro, it's like it's less than 30 points away. What do you think, brother man? I found you through the interview. Love your channel. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate you. How many people are having a good day today? I know I'm having a great day. I'm very, very, very happy with trading today. I may or may not have taken something. Really hard to figure out, I know. So difficult. Are people really shorting into this move or just taking profit? Little mix of both, but there are people that are shorting into this, believe it or not. A tree called Jay says, man, since I found the stream, my days have been a lot better. Not just trading, but overall because it starts with a good time in here. Let's go, baby. Rip the tits off the shorts? Yeah, I think we can. Hold on, can I activate my accounts yet? Let me see. I might be able to activate my alpha accounts by now. Let me see. It says in progress still. In progress. Oh, it's almost there. It's got to update. Don't have the contracts dead. Don't have the contracts yet. Here comes 27,000 for everybody who, for some reason, didn't think that that's possible. Yeah, dude, this is insane. There's still a lot of people that are completely off sides in this move. It's crazy. Dum da da dum dum ba dum ba dum ba bum ba bum bum boom boom bum. Iran has no plans to negotiate with the U.S. on Friday. Breaking news. The U.S. U.S. Attorney says Fed investigation continues on the Federal Reserve headquarters renovation. That whole thing's going on still. Dum 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 da da dum. Uh-oh. Iranian news. He's like, Baron, listen to me. Baron, trust me. You short every single tick as we approach 27,000, my son. Yeah, 27K is the Gandalf level of the day. I mean, that was a fucking sick run. Basically from 850 all the way up. We were long 850 essentially. So. What do you use for your news? Bloomberg terminal. Which username do you need? My X name for what? What do you want? The fuck do you want? The fuck do you want? Ah, a 50K Lucid Flex eval, huh? Okay, I got that for you. I got that for you, dog. I got that for you, dog. Come on down, baby. I got that for you. All right, give me your username. Don't delay, act today. If you want this account, I'm gonna give it about same name on X. You don't have to say Ribsmod. I'm Ribs, by the way. Ribsmod is different person, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just pretend. DM8108, are you here? DM8108. Because I got something for you too, baby. I got something for you. It's extra juicy. I've never seen making all-time highs while VIX at 20. How long have you been trading? Brother, what? Brother, what? Rip's not trying to be greedy, closing up and walking away. 10K Thursday, 6K Friday, 4K Monday, and 3K today. All glory to God. Taking a fourth payout in 4 days. Let's fucking go. Give it up for Straight G. That's my guy right there. Doesn't do the fucking sound on the goddamn stream. DM8108, are you here or not? Doesn't do the fucking sound. So annoying. Yeah, DM8108, I guess hit me up when you're back. Missed your redemption here, Playboy. It's the only other person. Oh wait, do I have channel points to pay out? Let's see. No, I don't. Fuck. Let's do another one. Let's do a quick one. Let's do 11:01 a.m. Right? Let's do 11:04. No, 11:06. Fuck it. Bang. There you go. What's up, Platypus Jr.? Platypus Jones? Plat 42432? What's up, baby? How you living today, star? What's popping off, G? Day Trader Rick says, I need to stop gambling my channel points. I lose every fucking bet. Worst luck ever. It's bankroll management is your problem, brother. Chilling, brother. Enjoying your streams? Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. Dude, the fucking levels today in ES are goddamn uncanny. It's unbelievable how good the levels in ES were today. Like, actually sickening. How many people joined the fucking channel since I talked about it? Let me see. Rips Nation. We got another 16 people, brother. Okay. Oh, there's this guy. This is DMM. Found him. Fucking found him. Tried to hide. I found this motherfucker. No shot, brother. Can't hide from me. Can't hide from Ripsy. There we go. 27,000. Bing, 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 bing. Ring the register. 27,000 on the ticket, baby. Do 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 do. Holy shit. Phil, what the fuck? That's insane, brother. I'm gonna fucking repost that. Fucking gangster shit. What a fucking sick setup that is. I'll post my setup so people can see the comparison between the two. Your setup's dope, bro. Ba-da-da-da-da. Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 Dude, 27,000 got bagged and tagged, baby. Trade, motherfucker, so we can fade you? I mean, if you faded me today, you're looking pretty fucking red, my friend. God hope you didn't fade me today. You'd be going to the poorhouse. Yeesh. Oh, he's talking about Subi. Oh. Oh, man. That's funny as fuck. Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 Yeah, Subi's free money if you fade Subi. That was just a fact, brother. Rips, 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 rips. Yes, Lita. How can I help you, buddy? What can I do for you, sir? Getting ready for a rant. Brother, today is not a day where I give a flying fuck about what chat has to say, believe me. It's one of those days. Current account balance, 3,000. Nice, let's go, baby. How big is the account? What is it 100K? Is it a 50K, 75K? What are we looking at here? What's our TP? Or what's our profit target? 100K. So you need to make 6K. So you're halfway home. Give it up for Lito. Let's go. Nice work, brother. What is it today? Wednesday. Wednesday, we're doing shoulders today. Shoulders and back. Shoulders and back. Take care, Mike Z. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. No, we understand that now, Tony. I totally understand it now. Totally get it. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Any Percy trades this week? Maybe the one I took today? Possibly. That one could count. Possibly. Hope you enjoyed the day. I'm done for the continuing the winning streak. Let's go. Nice short there, Gus. Way to go, buddy. Are you trading tonight? I am. 6 p.m. Right there. 6 p.m. this evening, baby. $2,400 on funded, $3K on new, $100K comment. Let's go, DVD 3616. Let's go, baby. What's the all-time high on Nasdaq? We just hit it. We just made a new one. It's above 27,000. 27,000. 27,000 and change. It's 27,000 and change. Oh man, I'm loopy right now. It is 27,000. 6 1/4. Rip, did you take a break from stake? Dude, I can't win on stake. I'm over stake. Completely over it. Can't win. I have better things to do than piss away money on stake. I'll tell you that right now. I literally couldn't win. And neither could anybody that fucking played. So let's fuck that shit. I think stake.com has different odds than stake.us. I think stake.us is like, dude, the RTP on stake.us is like literally like 5%. Like 95% losing. Like it's fucking insane, brother. Like legitimately fucking insane. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, dude, it was like every single slot was just fucking terrible bad. It was just not fun. It's just like, dude, I enjoy the entertainment of gambling, but like I'd like to have like some days where I like, bro, I don't think we had a day on stake where we did better than break even. Like I think one day we won like $200. Do you know what I mean? Like we won like $200 one day, and it's like, dude, this is not fun. Like this is boring. Rips, you're gonna make a private group on Facebook as you made on Instant? No, it's too much. Instant, I think is fine. I didn't even know that you can make a private group. Your stake luck is just as bad as my channel points gambles. I mean, bro, you gotta pace yourself, dude. Pace yourself. We have that channel points gamble paying out here in a short moment. What did you bet? Did you bet overs or unders, Rick? It's not even my stake luck, bro. It's like I would keep playing if some of our community was winning. Nobody's fucking winning. I talked to everybody who played. I talked to LRAP, talked to Cashies. Nobody was fucking winning, dude. And I don't want to fucking. That's not my style, bro. Like that's not my style. Like I'm not down with that shit. That's not cool. Not fucking cool with me, bro. Like. It's got to be entertaining for at least one person. And I thought I was falling on the sword for everybody else, but no, nobody's winning. Like not even a little bit, bro. Like if you go to the casino, you put in $100, you get $95 back. Hey, great, fine, whatever. I don't expect to win, but I expected like some days to like at least, you know, oh, we're like in a $4,000 downswing. Oh, we made $3,000 that one day. Yay. You know, this is fun. It's fun. So, yeah, over that shit, bro. I don't know what their deal is. I don't know who the fuck is winning on that platform, but it is fucking AIDS on a cracker, brother. Not my shit. I can't even imagine. Like, what if I was gambling like real amounts of money, like 10K a day? That would have been fucking terrible, brother. Horrible. So fuck that shit. Fuck that noise. No, thank you. I think Brian Johnson is the only person who won. And it was like years ago or something, right? It wasn't like recent. Like any of the slots that Brian suggested, it was a fucking straight shot straight to the fucking bottom of the barrel. Yeah, no. I might do Yeet again. I'm undecided. We'll see. I kind of like just trading, you know? We'll see, man. It's got to be fun for me, dude. It's got to be fun for me. I'd rather just trade right now and just hang with you guys. Am I still a partner? Yeah, I'm still a partner. I still get affiliate shit. But what? I don't want to play on it. Like, what's the point, dude? I have affiliate deals still in the pipeline. Like, there's another company that offered me like an affiliate deal, and I have shit from them, and they're like, "Hey, are you ever gonna stream us?" It's like, dude, I do whatever the fuck I want. You know what I mean? That's got to be your worst suggestion of all time, Rick. Like, I don't think you've come up with worse comms than that in your entire life. Holy shit. Literally the worst comms you've ever had in your life. There are plenty of gambling streamers. Dude, I'm still waiting for that streamer account, brother. I need that streamer account, dog. I miss it when we were fucking playing and we couldn't fucking lose. That was insane. That was the dopest shit in the world when we couldn't lose. And everyone's like, this is fake. It's like, oh man, yes. Fucking love it. It's so fucking funny. It was hilarious, brother. Legitimately hilarious. All right, I'm gonna take a leak. Be right back. Oh man, that was fucking bad. That was fucking fabulous. That was difficult. What are we saying? That was tough. That was the toughest piss I took all day. That was so difficult. That was impossible to solve. Low latency piss? I don't know about that. It's fucking refreshing though. Feels so good. Had to fucking piss for a while and I forgot. Ever have to piss really bad, then you just kind of forget about it, and then you're like, oh yeah, I gotta really fucking pee really fucking bad right now. What contract is this? The NASDAQ futures. This is the NASDAQ M contract. We will trade the U contract shortly, in a few months. Well, less than a few months. James Bond? No, I mean, dude, the music selections lately have just been fucking AIDS, brother. Been terrible. Try some of this shit. Miley Cyrus music, kind of, a little bit. A little bit of Miley, a little bit of Cyrus. Channel Points Gamble is going to be paid out here in about 10 minutes. Any questions before we wrap up the session? I mean, we made as much money as we could today. Wait. Oh! Aha! 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 They're gone! You know what that means. You know what that means, Playboy? That's funny. I didn't even think they updated like that. You know what that means? Time to sign the contracts, baby. Yes! It's funded time. Signing the contracts. Do. Funded time, baby. Funded time in alpha. I gotta pay $447 for these bad doggers, and then I'm done. Signing the contracts right now. These are some of my favorite accounts to trade. I just need 5 profitable days on them. Hopefully we can have a sick fucking start in these things. You start out with $5,000 of drawdown in each one, so I mean, they're fucking goated. They're witty fucking goated. No, it's 3. The most qualified accounts that you can have is 3. Qualified advanced accounts. I need to make sure I say that correctly. The most accounts you can have is 3 qualified advanced accounts. Okay, first one is paid for. Yo, what's up, Leslie? LPF, how you doing, player? How's your day going? We cash checks, snap necks, did all the fucking good things. Take care, Nolerman. I'll see you tonight at 6 p.m., brother. I had to put down... Oh, I'm sorry, man. What kind of horse was it? Curious. Okay, contracts. Sign your contract, baby boy. Huh. First, after you sign the alpha contract, how quick does the funding account show up? I'm paying for the last one right now. Let's see. Let's find out together. Let's find out together, shall we? You ready? There they are. There they are. There's my funding account. Look at how much drawdown they give you, dude. $52.50 in each one. Holy shit. And it's not trailing. That's $15,750 worth of drawdown. Like, holy shit, bro. Insane, huh? Let me set my group up so TradeAbit can deselect it later. Yes, indeed. Cool. Awesome. That's alpha. Those are my qualified accounts. $447 is what I paid to activate them. And now I just need 5 trading days of $200 or more. That's it. Am I trading them now? No, I'm done for the day. I'm fucking exhausted, brother. It's not a, like, dude, what would I trade? Like, the participation in the market has gone way down. Like, what am I trading if I'm... We exchanged at all-time highs. We had the rejection, and the rejection. So, what would I trade? Any update on the Alpha Trader platform? Soon. It's coming out soon. Soon. NQ says, I admire you a lot, but that grace when trading your Percy is not there when trading these props, bro. I don't get what does that mean? Must be a language barrier thing. As Ribs is what a real trader does. No, do you always be in the market? Yeah, I mean, dude, the opportunities are drying up right now. Will you trade 1 mini at a time or start with micros building the trade? No, because they have so much, dude. They have $5,200 worth of drawdown. I'm just gonna go straight to minis. You know? It's like trading a fucking account that has $15,000 in it. A 3 mini position is okay. You can figure that out. How did your NQ and ES levels that were above all-time highs? Did you use extensions, gamma levels, or get them from Carlos's mom? I went to Carlos's mom house. She gave them to me. It's 2 days in a row, and one I'm off before I give back. Okay, there you go. Hey, don't tilt. No reason to tilt, brother. No reason to tilt, homie. Chill. Gotta love a good gum job. I know. Ripsky, just want to say thank you. Been learning a lot of alpha from you, and week by week, my trading is getting better. Really working on adding contracts like you do. Made $2,800 today across 2 accounts. Let's go, baby. I love it. I was there too at Carlos's mom's house. I have just missed you. Got them levels too. Yeah, dude. She gave me, she said if you... Nah, never mind. Sometimes I do need to stop myself before I get going. Good idea there. That would have been pretty disgusting. I mean, stream felt a bit better when you were trading your Percy than these props. I mean, nobody's forcing you to watch, brother. There's plenty of other streamers out there to watch. I don't know. What did we not like about the stream today? Let's get very specific. Before I go, I want to get very specific with you. And try to keep up. Try to be on point with the responses so we can have like a back and forth dialogue. What exactly did we not like about today's stream? Every single trade that I touched went green. So what specifically did we not like about today's stream that you got more from on prior streams? Let's start there. It always takes these guys so fucking long to reply. It's so goddamn annoying. Yeah, bro, when I used to stream my fucking $1 million account, multi-million-dollar account, I had like literally 1/3 of the viewers, by the way. 1/3 of the viewers. And 900x the amount of fucking retards that were bothering me every single day. Why does it always take them like fucking 10 minutes to write fucking 3 words, by the way? Jovion says, I love today's stream. Got 4,100 reasons why. My man. Your raw reading on chart while trading Percy was goated. I mean, is it not the same in the fucking props? I mean, what the fuck? Bro, like, what the fuck was the last trade? It's the same fucking thing. What the fuck? For real? Now you're making me feel like I'm not putting in the effort. Like, the last fucking trade that I took, I literally was like, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck are you talking about? Hold up. What the fuck? Hold on, who, like, I'm not trying to like single this guy out. Like, I love every single one of you that takes your time to tune in, but like actually, like, I feel like I'm putting in the effort. Am I not? Am I not putting in the effort? Like, dude, am I not, like, dude, when I'm like in those trades, I'm like calling it out exactly as if I would in the Percy. He must be on a delay or something. Taking forever. I thought I'm putting in like a decent amount of effort. Like, I'm like, hey, this level and this, and then I'm interacting with it. Bro, like, what are you talking? Hold up. What are you talking? Dude, that trade, the last trade that we took to pass the fucking alpha accounts, what are you talking about, homie? That was a fucking sick trade, actually. What are you talking about? Hold up. What are you talking about? Huh. I thought the fucking streams have been great. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Unders win? Okay. There you go. I thought, yeah, dude, like, I'm doing the same commentary. Dude. Play by play while I'm in these trades, you know? It's just one of those people. It takes fucking 10 hours for them to reply. It's so hard to have a conversation with somebody that's like either watching on delay or like, I don't know. It's just so fucking weird. I guess they're gone. They left. Oh wait, there you go. This is great, definitely, but that was better. I understand more people liking this. Yeah, bro, I was literally streaming to like, I would have like 300 people watching right now if I was trading in the Percy. People did not like it because it's not relatable. I don't understand how people could be like, yo, fuck this shit. I fucking made $17,000 in 2 days trading a prop firm that cost me fucking $1,000. Huh? Like, that's more accessible than somebody being like, coming in like fucking September, the account balance that I have is $2.3 million. And I'm like trading that, and I'm trading 100 contract positions, and I'm scalping, taking 20 points, 15 points for 30K and 40K trades. And people are like, dude, what the fuck's this? And like, nobody watched. Versus like, I just spent $1,000 on some prop firm accounts, and in 2 days I made $17,000 withdraw to the face. I don't know. It was more about not knowing where you entered and where you were going to exit, in my opinion. Interesting. I don't know. No, I like the feedback. I always want to improve the streams, you know what I mean? Like, I'm always looking to improve the stream, so I value all feedback. I don't care if somebody's like trolling, because it probably comes from some place of truth, I would think. It's wrong feedback. Well, I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just trying, because it's like, they're not alone. There's other people that say that same type of shit where they're like, bro, I just looked through that guy's chat history though. Like the other guy, Stonkpile, I looked through his chat history, and then like his chat history was like, bro, I've been stuck in a PA for 2 months and I haven't been able to get a payout. So I can understand the anger from somebody like that, where he sees me trading in props and like in 2 days, it looks like I'm fucking around, but then I make $17,000. He's like, bro, I've been stuck in PAs for 2 months and I haven't gotten a payout. Fuck this guy. Like, I understand that. I get where Stonkpilot is coming from. It must be frustrating to watch, but it's like, bro, you're discounting. I've been doing this for fucking 12 years, homie. What do you think my first few years looked like as a trader? It was fucking, you know what I mean? Like, so I can get like why you'd be frustrated and be like, this guy is like, oh, bro, I fucked your mom. Let me click. And I make 17 grand in 2 days, and it looks like I'm just fucking around. But in reality, I'm not fucking around. Like, I'm actually trying, you know? Like, that's, you want a little peek behind the curtain. I'm trying on every trade that I take, you know? Like, I'm trying on every trade. Like, you shouldn't feel bad if you're watching me and you feel like it's bullshit. It's not, man. It's 12 years of experience, you know? Like, it's 12 years of experience, and I'm trying to fucking win. I'm trying, brother. Like, I don't know what more you want from me. Like, how much better could I perform on a fucking prop firm account? Percy streams are more intense, and I really love them, but the prop one's more relatable to us. Both gives us the educational commentary. Yeah, I mean, I try to give the same fucking commentary, you know? I try my best. Where can I watch your personal account streams? Just want to see them. Super inspiring. On my YouTube channel every single day on my YouTube channel. Imagine if you had Subi 12 years ago. I wouldn't know how good the value was, bro. Yeah, dude. I mean, I talk about that all the time on this channel, LPF. I talk about it all the time, that it's like, bro, it's trading is the closest thing to impossible until it's not. Like, eventually it gets more manageable, but like the lead up into that. You guys, okay, look, you remember what was my thought? What was my thought? Literally, what was my thought when I almost gave up trading? I've talked about this candidly. I almost quit trading. I took a 6-month break, and my fucking thought process was like, this is a scam. Nobody makes money. The only people that make money are banks in trading, right? I legitimately thought that. So you started trading props, that discipline you had with your Percy, and to look at your trading like a goat was awesome and so inspiring. I mean, I still try, bro. Yes, obviously, it's like, dude, it's very, very difficult sometimes to like take it seriously. It's frustrating at times. Like, if, dude, you guys know that Tradeovate can fucking send me on tilt. And like the downside for me, you have to think about it, dude. Listen, not flexing or anything here, but like, dude, like if Tradeovate sends me on tilt, my natural reaction to that is like, dude, fuck this shit. Like, and I whatever, you know, like that's fine. That's fine. It's gonna happen. It's hard for me to turn that part of my brain off. You know what I mean? Like, it's hard for me to be like, dude, fuck this shit, fucking Tradeovate, fuck you, and like going crazy, you know? Like, it's hard to turn that off sometimes. What got you back to trading after taking 6 months break? I legitimately missed it. It's the same thing. Like, you have to understand, like, trading to me is so cool because it's a fresh thing every single day. And like for me, I'm addicted to games like chess. Like, if I start playing chess for too long, I go fucking crazy. I keep thinking about it. They call it the Tetris effect, where you start trying to fucking do it in your own head all the time, to the point where it's obsessive and it's bad. So I have to legitimately take breaks from chess. Like, I can't sit here and fucking play chess for months on end because I'll sit there and try to fucking do stupid shit, right? The same thing with trading is like when I gave it up, I kept on thinking about it, obsessively thinking about it. And then as time passed, I stopped being so obsessive about it, but that also relaxed the pressure. Right? I felt like such a fucking loser when I quit trading because I was like, I was a fucking loser in the sense that monetarily I was a fucking loser. But like, I felt like a loser for being like, why did I get scammed into thinking that day trading could ever work? It's a fucking joke, right? So for me personally, it was taking a break from it and then actually missing it because I love the idea of like something fresh and something new all the time. Every single day you wake up, you have no idea what the fuck's gonna happen. For instance, like when I took that trade 3 or 4 weeks ago, that huge fucking trade that I hit, I didn't wake up in the morning thinking like, oh my God, I'm gonna have a huge day today. But I did. I wasn't expecting that. I certainly wasn't expecting that. And it's like, dude, there's a reality where I don't even take that fucking trade, by the way. Right? There's a reality where I don't even click the buttons and I sit there and I'm like, oh, fuck, that would have been sick if I got that. There's a reality where I'm up taking a piss. There's a reality where I'm talking to my wife. There's a reality where I'm not even at my desk. There's a reality where I missed my fucking alarm and I didn't wake up. Like, there's so many things, right? Where trading is like in that fucking moment. And if you miss it, you miss it. That was one of the things, by the way, early on that I couldn't figure out in my career that was like one of the best pieces of like, holy shit, like an epiphany I had where I was like, trading can exist literally between the snap of this finger. If you miss that fucking moment as a scalper or a day trader or a momentum trader, if you miss that exact moment, that reality of that trade that you just missed is gone forever. And like accepting that is one of the hardest things. Now I can only talk about my own trading style, which is like momentum, day trading, scalping, like those moments exist for that snap of the fingers, that moment in time, and then they're gone. For instance, right? Like, let's look at that, the pop above 27,000. If you don't catch that short there, right? Let's see how many points that was. Let's just say we take the scalp, right? The scalp on the way down is 40 points. You hesitate for a little bit of time. You go from a 40-point trade to a 20-point trade. That is a 100% difference. That is a 100% difference in profit. Now, not everybody is a momentum scalper or day trader that where you're trading momentum or speed or whatever the fuck, right? There's a lot of people who are just like, oh yeah, I'm happy to get like somewhere in this zone here and then relax it out there. Oh, 90 points. Or I catch it from here to here, and that's still 90 points. Or I catch it from here to here, and that's still 90 points. Or whatever the case, right? I'm not that style of trader. My style of trading is in the moment, right? So trading for me has always been this thing where it's like I wake up every single day and I'm like, holy shit, this is dope. It's a brand new thing every single day. I love it. Amazing. Awesome. I missed it because I like things like that. I like something that is new and fresh every single time. I love that. That's what brought me back into trading is I legitimately missed the routine, waking up in the morning, doing the chart work, reading the news, being a part of the macro environment. That's what I missed. Rips, one thing I don't understand is you have a big personal account. Why not just trade that and make bank every day instead of trying to please people on the internet with prop accounts? It's not why I do it. I'm building a brand. Let me give you some context, CM Trades. I made in my personal account over $3 million last year in just the personal account that I was streaming. If I'm not streaming, maybe I could do better. Maybe I could do worse. I can't. There's no way for me to know, right? There's no way for me to know. Now, check this out. Rampage Jackson, who legitimately nobody heard about until like last year, streamed on Kick. And do you know how much Rampage Jackson made just from his personal brand? He made $10 million. Now, I busted my ass trading my trading account and made $3 million, right? Over $3 million. Busted my ass every single day doing that. Did not focus on growing my personal brand. I've been heavily focused on growing my personal brand while providing people value, while doing it for free, and also being able to trade my personal account. Now, which reality would you take? Locking yourself away from the world, knowing that you have value to give the world, providing value to people, having people appreciate you, feeling fulfilled from the value that you're providing to other people for free, or lock yourself in a room and maybe make $3 to $5, maybe $8 million in a year trading a personal account. What would you pick if you had to pick? What would you pick? Now, I'm honestly curious because that's one thing that I don't understand, right? I'm going to pick the one where it's like, hey, let's grow a personal brand. Let's have fun doing. I legitimately get excited about growing my personal brand, right? And I do love helping people, but I legitimately enjoy the growing of the personal brand. It's another thing where it's like, fuck, every day is a new fucking thing. Like, dude, I got this fucking thing. I never thought I'd get one of these. Look at that shit. Right, it's backwards, but yeah, you get it. I never thought I'd get one of these fucking things. That's fucking cool. That's fucking badass. Definitely takes the stress off. Dude, for sure it takes the stress off because like, I don't have to be like, and how fucking depressing it is being a trader alone, right? How fucking depressing it is being a trader alone. Right? It's super depressing being a trader alone. This is so much more fun. And like, the amount of DMs that I get are so fucking fulfilling when I check my DMs and outside of the people that are like, bro, you suck dick. Awesome, man. Outside of those fucking 10% of the DMs that I get, the other 90% of DMs are people either appreciating what I do as far as streams go or people sharing progress in their journey. That shit turns me on straight up, right? And if it didn't, I wouldn't be fucking doing this. I legitimately enjoy doing this. It provides purpose in my life. You have to understand, when I sold the company in my early 20s, what was my choice? I went out and I fucking drank basically from fucking Tuesday until Sunday. I was a professional fucking partier because I didn't have anything to do. The lack of fulfillment that you get from doing that for almost a decade straight compared to what I'm doing now is night and day. That is a lack of purpose-driven life. I live a purposeful life now that I enjoy gratefully. I'm so grateful for the life that I have, and it's met with meaning and purpose every single day. And I see it from everybody that tunes in. So I thank you guys for giving me purpose in my life. That's just a fact. That's why I do what I do. And I appreciate the question because it's like, it's a valid question. Like, dude, why the fuck don't you just trade and like, fuck all this shit? Valid question. Totally understand. All right, I'm gonna be back at 6. Been streaming for 3.5 hours. Gonna be back at 6. Appreciate you guys. Let's try to run it up tonight. We'll find out whether or not Funded Seat fixes my one little bunko account because of the trade seat issue. I'm hoping that they do. Like, I'm assuming that they're gonna do the right thing because Tradeovate is an AIDS company and Trade Seat has the chance to be like, yo, Trade Seat made it right. You know what I mean? So we'll see. Rampage is on a million other channels as collabs and offers zero valuable. You are a teacher, bro. Don't look up to other degenerate streamers as something to copy. You're better. No. It's not something I look up to. I'm just saying, like, there's value in growing a personal brand. That was the only point I was trying to make. I don't look up to a person like that. And like, I'm not promoting degeneracy, right? Like, I'm sharing my journey, trying to talk you guys through what it was like for me. That's all I have to offer, right? The only thing I can offer you is that this is what my experience was with the trading. These are all the hardships that I had in trading, because there's a fuck ton of them. And I think that's a fair way to talk about these things, right? Wow, new highs, new highs, new highs. Crazy. All right, everybody. I'll see you guys tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central. I'll see you guys there. Take care. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. See you.